Hey everyone, it's One Stop Guy. How's everybody all doing today? Hey guys, today we're gonna be trying out this dim sum at this Chinese fast food place here, bakery place. And the dim sum that we're actually trying today is gonna be the chicken feet. Okay, so if you guys have never eaten a those dim sum at the Chinese restaurant or those fast food place, this one is going to be the chicken feet. Okay, they have other types of dim sum and stuff, but I'm more craving for these chicken feet. All right, so this is how it looks like here. So like you see it, it's chicken feet, just like the way you see it. Okay, they make it, they put a bunch of sauce in there so it tastes better. So this will be my first time trying at this place. All right, because I've been at other locations, like other restaurants, other dim sum restaurants and stuff in my area, but I haven't tried this one here. This one is one of the fast food place. Okay, so you can buy it out and then just buy it to go and just eat it at home. All right, so let's start eating. All right, let's go. Let's eat this. Let me show it to you guys one more time here. Okay, chicken feet from a bakery in my area here close by, and that's how chicken feet looks like. Okay, if you guys have never ever seen one before, and like I said earlier, they normally sell it at a Chinese restaurant. Normally they serve it during breakfast. Okay, breakfast and lunch. Okay, they're called dim sum, and this is just one type. Okay, they have other types of dim sum, but this is what I am craving today. All right, so let's eat. Let's try it out. This will be my first time. All right. Make sure to just eat the meat. Okay, don't eat the bones. So be careful, all right? Because most of the time it's all bone, Man, I just dropped I think I just dropped a bone down here. Let me just pick it up real quick. All right. So yeah, anyway, make sure when you eat, make sure to not accidentally swallow the bone, okay? Use your teeth. Use your teeth to take out the bone, okay? It's actually not bad. Not bad, actually. Not too salty. You can actually eat with like soy sauce and with pepper and stuff like that if you want it to be more salty, But I think this is looks like it's good. I don't need to use any dipping sauce or anything like that. Pretty good. Want to get like a plate or something to put the bones away, to throw the bones away. I bought 2 portions, okay? So I believe each portion they give like 3 or 4 of these, okay? So I bought 2 portions, that's why it's a lot. So you can see the whole to-go box is filled up. And this one I bought here at this location, they sell one portion for under $4, okay? So I bought 2 of them, so it's about I would say $8 something with tax, all right? If you go to like a restaurant, like, you know, like Chinese restaurant, I think they charge like almost $5 for 1 portion, okay? But this one is a little cheaper. It's like $1 cheaper. So if you don't know how to eat these, it kind of looks kind of nasty, you know, looking at it like this, you know, it looks kind of scary, right? Chicken feet. But if you know how to eat it, like you know, like me, I know how to eat it, so it tastes like really good. Okay guys, really good. Okay, but there's some places where if they don't do it good, it tastes kind of gross. Okay, but this one, not bad, not bad. I would say I'll try it again. I'll buy more. Use like a napkin, throw all the bones in the napkin so it's easier. But yeah, there's a certain restaurant where, or a certain fast food where I would buy this and it's not good, so I won't buy again. But this one, I would say I would probably buy again. Normally I usually buy like 2 portions. Because 1 is not enough. So if you eat the whole feet, you know, like you put it in your mouth, you want to try to use your teeth to take the meat out and the bone out at the same time. So that way you don't have to hold it with your finger, you know. See that good? Wow, that was pretty sharp. That one was pretty sharp, actually. Use your teeth and then your tongue to push out the bone, okay? Okay? Not bad, not bad. I would definitely buy this again. All right, guys. Just wanted to show you guys how chicken feet looks like. One more time, this is how it looks like. Okay, it looks just like it's chicken feet. All right. And just wanted to try out this bakery in my area to see how the chicken feet is, because I've never ordered a to-go chicken feet from this bakery before. So just want to try it out, and at the same time want to show it to you guys if you guys have never seen chicken feet before. All right, guys. You guys have any questions or comment, leave them down below. If you guys are chicken feet lovers, let us know if you eat it a lot, or you like it, or if you don't like it. Well, of course, I said if you're a chicken feet lover, of course you're gonna like it. But let me know any one of you out there don't like chicken feet, okay, or think it's pretty gross. All right, leave it in the comment section below so other people can, see what you're saying, okay? And maybe if there's a good place that that sells chicken feet really good, let us know as well, all right? So with that being said, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, okay? Next to the subscribe button, there's going to be a notification bell. Make sure to hit that bell as well, so whenever I upload any new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.